Millions of creators out there are using short-form platforms to sell products, and frankly, some are absolutely crushing it right now. You probably recognize the style, those quick shampoo takes, the handbag reveals, and the little product demos that rack up tens of thousands of views overnight. The million-dollar question is always the same. How do you consistently create videos that feel just as punchy and natural as those viral originals without burning yourself out? Here is the spoiler. You really do not need to reinvent the wheel or hire a high-priced full-time editor to get those same results. What you actually need is a much smarter, automated way to slice your long-form footage into snackable, viral-ready clips, and that is exactly where a tool like Vizard comes into play. Instead of wasting hours hunting down random viral videos to copy frame by frame, you can take your own long-form content such as live streams or product reviews and let the AI find the magic moments for you. I personally start by finding the best source material, which for me is usually a 20-minute deep dive where someone naturally hits those golden lines about a product's texture or effectiveness. Once I upload that raw file, I simply select my desired output format like vertical 9:16 for TikTok and let the software handle the initial heavy lifting. The AI analyzes the entire video to automatically locate those high engagement beats, like strong emotional reactions or concise product explanations, instead of just trimming the video randomly. If you are doing a shampoo review, for instance, it will identify the exact 10 seconds where you talk about the shine and turn that into a tight clip with a sharp focus on the product bottle. What I really love is that the platform doesn't force you into one single style, allowing you to generate multiple clips from the same source with different intros and subtitle placements. This level of flexibility makes split testing your messaging incredibly easy because you can compare different hooks and caption styles to see which ones actually perform better. We all know that TikTok and Reels perform way better when captions are involved, but many auto-caption tools end up awkwardly covering the most important parts of your video. The great thing here is that you get total control over caption styling and placement, so you can make sure the text never obscures the product or the creator's face. When it comes to distribution, you can stop manually exporting and uploading files one by one and instead use an auto-scheduler to keep your channel active while you sleep. Traditional editors might give you total creative control, but the time cost of color grading and exporting 10 different versions is a massive bottleneck for any busy creator. On the other hand, some of those cheaper clipper apps just chop your video into equal, boring chunks, completely ignoring the emotional peaks that keep a viewer watching. The beauty of this approach is that it keeps the authenticity of your original raw footage intact, so you aren't sacrificing that human connection just to get a polished look. In my own testing, I took a 30-minute live stream and within minutes had 3 distinct highlights ready to go, each perfectly tuned for different audience needs. I even experimented with multilingual repurposing, quickly creating Spanish and Portuguese versions of my clips that included localized captions and culturally relevant hook lines. Of course, you have to remember that AI cannot fix bad source footage, so your final clips will only be as high quality as the original recording you provide. For those of you who create long-form content, whether you are podcasters, streamers, or e-commerce brands, this workflow is a total game changer for your consistency. I recommend starting with one long video you have already made, generating 10 clips, and setting an auto schedule to post 3 to 4 times a week to see what works. The bottom line is that there is a huge opportunity to turn your backlog of long videos into a constant stream of short-form content that actually builds your audience. Try it out for yourself, and feel free to reach out with any questions about how to angle your content for the best possible results. See you in the next video, where I will break down some specific proven hook styles that really get viewers to stop scrolling and watch.